Hey everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I am doing a carpet stretch and cleaning job in Rio Linda, Sacramento, California. And pardon me if I sound a little stuffy, I have gotten another cold yet again. And so please bear with me while I try and make this video. I'm going to try and do a walkthrough and kind of just explain as we go along. So here we're going to stretch the room over and repair this transition and just get it all. I gotta install new tack strip and get it all stretched over, trim the pad, and as you can see the carpet's frayed, so we're gonna power stretch it over. Luckily there's a lot of stretch in this carpet, and then we just have two bedrooms. They need stretching too, but for now we're just gonna clean them. And this right here is just a time lapse of me getting my power stretcher set up, and pretty much used all the tubes in the box to get it all stretched out across this room, and we're just gonna get it all stretched out. And after stretching, you can see how much we've stretched over, and everything is ready to cut. And this is what I'm going to be using to clean. I'm going to use my ProChem, or not ProChem, Dynachem Power Max, and it looks like I'm running out, so I'm only going to use about 4 scoops in my Hydroforce. The Hydroforce is going to be full, and I'm using a 4:1 ratio. So about 4 scoops of that. Probably should have used more, but I'm boosting it with Prozyme, Pro's Choice Prozyme, and that's just an enzyme cleaner, because there's a lot of soil in there, a lot of greasy spills, a lot of gum, and so that's going to help just break all that up and make it easier to extract. So I'm using about 3-4 scoops of that. And here you can see me just getting set up to pre-spray. Just like to get everything off the floor so I don't get it wet, and then just like painting, just pretty much spray all the areas that you need to get done. Here you can see just going back and forth, back and forth. If it's really soiled, I'll try and go and I'll do one way, just like painting, and then go 90 degrees and go the other way, just to evenly get across all surfaces of the fiber. And now after the pre-spray is set, I just take my time and rake it in. And this is a quick example of what I was talking about, what the Pro's Choice Prozyme does. Those are gum. Like if you've ever seen with really nasty carpet, just a black gum spot, that's pretty much what that is. And just by pre-spraying, it comes off, it just melts off. You don't even have to hit it with a bone scraper or cut it out or anything. It just melts off. And so that's one of the good things about adding that Prozyme to your pre-spray. That way you don't have to go off each spot and hit it with the POG. And right here is just going across the room, just one pass, just to show pretty much how much dirt, how much soil gets collected off just one stroke. And this is just a time lapse of pretty much what every carpet cleaner loves doing. just going from left to right with the wand and making the way across the room. And then of course I did right to left with the dry pass, but I don't want to make a 20-minute video of me just doing this, so here's a quick time lapse of me doing it. And here's just a quick tip to carpet cleaners or tile and grout cleaners, anyone pretty much with a truck mount. If you have a Facebook video and you're sharing it, I would highly suggest either muting the audio or getting rid of the audio or adding music or something, because there's nothing more annoying than just scrolling down and there's a video of tile and grout, which is fine, but all you hear is just the roar of the truck mount or the, you know, the PSI, because 1,000 PSI, that's all you're going to hear is psh. So it's an automatic click away from me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people think the same way. They just want to get out of there. So that's just a quick tip. Just either scrap the audio or put a song or, I don't know, some hip happy beat, I don't know. But anything other than 1,000 PSI, just psh. So that's just a quick tip. And here's the after result. Everything cleaned up pretty nice. There's still some stains and still some wear and tear, but I think overall it was much better. My buddy Jeffrey Howells, he said, you know, you should have probably just used like a CRB or your scrub or even to lift the pile and get unseen dirt. And I completely agree with him. I just wasn't thinking. I must have skipped over it. Next time I'll probably do a comparison left and right. I'll split the room in half and see which side does better compared to the other. But as always, his advice is really good, and thanks for that if you're watching. But anyone else, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for your support, and hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what to expect from a carpet cleaning and repair job. Again, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring. Thanks for watching, everyone.